early stages of product development, customers often need only a few samples to test design and functionality while continuing to refine their ideas. Small batch manufacturing is the best way to uncover problems early, reduce trial and error costs, and accelerate innovation.
Today, we test the path of a path from design to delivery to see how we can ensure quality in small batches machining.
Step 1. Material verification. We start by sourcing the right material based on customer drawings and running strict checks. Beyond the material certificates, we test hardness and use XRF analysis to confirm the material fully meets requirements before it ever enters production. Step 2. Process planning. Once materials are verified, our engineers conduct DFM reviews. They analyze tolerances, structure and assembly methods to identify risks and propose improvements.
真正这个零件，它在精度上要保证0.01的跳动和0.03的同质度公差。我们采用定制化复合工艺，出车、退火、精车、三质加工、时效定型等复合工艺。
This tailored process ensures that even small batches achieve the stability of massive production. Step 3. Inspection plan confirmation. Before production begins, we align with the customers on the inspection plans, defining critical dimensions, inspection tools, and sampling ratios.
Our QC team prepares balloon drawings, clearly marking every inspection point to ensure both sides share the exact same standards.
Step 4. First article inspection. First article inspection is mandatory before batch production. By inspecting dimensions and tolerance on the first article, we validate the feasibility of the machining process.
For this part, we use CMM to verify all key dimensions and GD and T requirements, then submit a full report to the customer. Only after FAI approval does production officially begin, ensuring quality from the source. Step 5. Production and control. During production, we use custom fixtures to reduce reclamping, which improves both accuracy and efficiency. Quality inspectors perform regular patrol checks, while operators conduct self-checks with tools like pin gauges. Meanwhile, a digital system tracks the entire schedule in real time, making sure everything stays on plan. Step 6. Final inspection and delivery. When parts are finished, we conduct a full inspection according to the agreed plan. All data is organized into a traceable report matched with the ballooned drawings. Finally, the parts are delivered with guaranteed quality and on-time reliability, ready for customer testing and validation.
From material verification and process planning to first article check, production control, and final delivery, WayKen is committed to first response, strict quality standards, and precision delivery. We help customers reduce trial and error costs, speed up production innovation, and bring ideas to market first. If you have small batch production needs, WayKen is here to support you.